Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I got a microphone again and now I can just talk to you. The last few videos I've done have definitely had to have been voiceover because my mic gave out on me and I didn't realize. So I'm glad to be here and talking again. And if you're new here, welcome to the tribe, girl. If you want to make it official, don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, as well as turn on those post notifications. That way you know when I upload a video. Today's video is going to be all about this hair right here. I wanted to do an update on the wig that I had made with her hair company. Most of the time when I show you guys hair from different hair companies, I don't always like come back with an update. Because I bleached the crap out of this one, I feel like I needed to come and let you guys know how the hair is doing at its current state. Please forgive me, my braid up right now underneath this wig. It's kind of chunky and I was a little self-conscious to come on here with it, but I'm not about to re-braid it right now. So imagine if my braid up was smaller, it'd be like this, like nice and flat. It's not that bad, right? It's a little bulk in here. Thumbs up if you gonna let me slide. Okay, anyway, so when I first got the wig, I ordered 2 bundles of 10-inch and I think 14-inch closure, a 14-inch frontal. When I first put the wig together, I didn't really want to cut too much. I cut just a little bit because I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do. After I had it colored, after I rocked it for a bit, I was like, we need to go shorter, you know what I'm saying? Right here. So I decided to do a nice blunt cut on it. But before I did a blunt cut, I made sure she was nice and pressed out first. So bone straight, so important. And then I use my clippers to get a nice blunt cut. Now if you guys want to know how I do this in more detail, I do have a video already, so you guys can go and check that out. You guys like this? Do you guys like this blunt look? I feel like I kind of want to curl it up and see how it looks, but I also felt like, let me show you guys what the color looks like straight. Overall, I would say that this hair is definitely worth it because it held up. The shedding on this hair was minimal. Like, I was expecting a lot more breakage for what I did to it. But yeah, no, I really didn't have any breakage. It's good to go. It withstanded all of the stress that I put it through. I have definitely had experiences where I bleached hair one and right away the hair is so orange and it's like no matter how much you're trying and no matter what you're doing, it's not lifting to like those natural tones underneath. I'm not saying your hair is not gonna be orange when you bleach it. That's a part of the progression, but there's a difference. I've experienced hair that's not virgin and when I try to bleach it, especially for going blonde, it doesn't go there. So if you guys are interested in looking for hair that you wanna either experiment with and you're learning and you want to try bleaching hair blonde for yourself, then I would highly recommend this. Or if you already know what you're doing, girl, and you like, I need some hair that can go light, okay? So guys, let me know, like, should I go purple with this? No, Keeb, no. Save the wig. Save it the way it is. And we'll go purple on a different one, right? Let me know what you guys think. It's always good to know, even if you're gonna be keeping the hair dark, that the hair can withstand that kind of torture. That the hair can withstand that kind of torture because you know it's gonna hold up even if you keep it dark. But yes, it's solidified, it's approved. Her hair company, y'all did it again. This is my second time using their hair and I'm actually very happy with the fact that this hair feels amazing, it feels nice and soft, and I didn't have to put any product in it. You guys know I don't really like to put a lot of like shiny, greasy things in the weave because it just gets clumpy and it doesn't have movement anymore. Okay? That's a secret there. If you be putting all that oil and all that stuff into your weaves, ugh, don't do it. Don't do it. Comment below, let me know if you have any other questions about this hair right here. Be sure to check out the other videos so you guys can see how I dyed this to this color from dark and what I got to do it. Oh, I also showed you in that video how I make my frontal wigs. Comment below and let me know if you guys would like me to do more like updates of how the hair is holding up and doing. All right guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join this tribe, as well as turn on those post notifications, y'all, so that you know when I upload a video. All right? I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste. Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling, hope I don't think the
just that we smoke that. I'm gon' hit, I'm like, what you think, so think what